here's something shocking. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that after age 50, your body's ability to produce nitric oxide, the molecule that opens your blood vessels, drops by nearly 25% every decade. By age 70, that decline reaches up to 75%. And here's the part no one tells you. This single drop may be the real reason behind your cold feet, heavy legs, constant fatigue, and slow recovery. That chronic cold feet, heavy legs, and that mysterious fatigue that's been plaguing you could all be linked to one underlying issue that affects nearly 80% of people over 60. And that groundbreaking clinical research has just uncovered a simple drink that can reverse it faster than anyone thought possible? In 2019, scientists published a study in the journal Nutrients that shocked the medical community. They discovered that participants who consumed one specific nitrate-rich beverage experienced dramatic improvements in blood flow and blood vessel function within just 3 days. We're not talking about marginal changes here. We're talking about measurable, life-changing results that participants could actually feel. The researchers were so stunned by the speed of the transformation that they had to verify their results multiple times. But here's what's really incredible. The star ingredient of this circulation-boosting drink is something so common, so ordinary, that you've probably walked past it in your kitchen 100 times without realizing you were looking at a potential game-changer for your health. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly what this miracle ingredient is, the precise way to prepare it for maximum effectiveness, and why it works so much better than expensive supplements or medications.
Every study I mention is listed in the comments. Never accept information blindly, not from me or anyone else. Take a moment to look at the research yourself. I will add both studies to the video description as free PDFs. Before we get started, let me ask you something. How old are you? And where in the world are you watching this from? Share it in the comments. I personally read through all of your messages, and your experiences are what inspire me to create these videos.
I'll start by telling you some unexpected facts. Compared to younger adults, adults over 60 are 3 times more likely to have poor circulation, according to the CDC. According to Harvard Health, endothelial dysfunction significantly worsens after age 60. Your circulation is negatively impacted when the endothelium, which is essentially the inner lining of your blood vessels, malfunctions. Fatigue, memory issues, and slow healing have all been linked to poor blood flow. According to research from the Cleveland Clinic, I want you to know that numbness, swelling, heavy legs, and cold feet are not typical aspects of aging. These are real clinical indicators that your blood vessels aren't functioning properly. Many medical professionals will tell you that these symptoms are simply a natural part of growing older. But research indicates that there is something we can do about it. This will help you understand why the drink I'm about to share works so well. So let me explain why circulation deteriorates with age. Nitric oxide is the main offender. This molecule aids in the relaxation and opening of your blood vessels, facilitating easier blood flow. A 2016 study that was published in the Journal of Applied Physiology revealed something truly remarkable. When compared to age 20, the body can produce up to 75% less nitric oxide at age 70. That's a significant decline, which helps to explain why circulation issues affect so many elderly people. However, that is not the sole problem. As you age, your muscle tissue also becomes less effective at utilizing oxygen. According to a 2020 study published in Aging Cell, your cell's tiny power plants, known as mitochondria, deteriorate with age. Your legs feel heavier and more exhausted as a result of the decreased oxygen delivery to your tissues. Additionally, there is a condition known as microvascular rarefaction, which is essentially a fancy way of saying that as you age, you lose some of your tiny blood vessels. This process gradually lowers blood flow to your extremities, according to research published in Circulation Research in 2019. Therefore, it makes sense that circulation becomes so difficult after 60. Now, how do medical professionals recognize poor circulation? You can determine whether you have circulation problems by being aware of the various tests they employ. The speed at which blood returns to your toe after pressure is applied is known as toe capillary refill, and doctors frequently measure it. An ankle brachial index test, which measures the difference between your ankle and arm blood pressure, may also be performed. Other crucial indicators include skin temperature, resting heart rate variability, and swelling assessment. Doctors are not speculating about these symptoms at random. They are validated clinical markers that indicate when blood vessels are malfunctioning and blood flow is decreased. Therefore, you may want to inquire about these particular tests if you have been told that your circulation symptoms are simply a sign of aging. This is where things start to get really interesting. In order to rapidly raise nitric oxide levels in older adults, researchers have been looking for safe, natural solutions. Additionally, in clinical trials, one drink has continuously performed better than others. The best part is that it uses only natural ingredients and is simple to make at home. Allow me to describe how this beverage affects your body in detail. Beetroot juice is the primary component, and it functions via what scientists refer to as the nitrate to nitric oxide conversion pathway. The natural nitrates in beetroot juice are changed into nitrites by your body when you drink it. Nitric oxide, which aids in the relaxation and opening of your arteries, is then produced from those nitrites. People who drank beet juice every day had less arterial stiffness, according to a 2015 study that was published in the journal Hypertension. This indicates that their blood vessels became more pliable and capable of pumping blood more effectively. Another study that focused on older adults was published in the Journal of Applied Physiology in 2020. They discovered that seniors who took nitrate supplements had better walking oxygen efficiency. This explains why regular consumption of beetroot juice frequently results in people feeling less exhausted and having more energy. Let me now share with you the precise recipe for this drink that circulates for 72 hours. 120 to 150 milliliters of beetroot juice are the primary ingredient. About 250 milligrams of nitrate are present in this quantity, which has been shown to raise plasma nitrite levels by 138%. That study, which I mentioned at the start of this video, was published in Nutrients in 2019. However, beetroot juice by itself isn't the whole answer. By including a few supporting ingredients, we can increase its effectiveness even further. Add half a lemon's juice first. Lemon juice prevents nitric oxide from degrading as a result of oxidative stress, according to a 2012 study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine. This implies that your body benefits for a longer period of time. Add half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger after that. Ginger reduces inflammation and enhances circulation in the hands and feet, according to a 2015 study published in the International Journal of Cardiology. Next, add a small pinch of cayenne. You only need a small amount, despite the fact that it sounds spicy. The active ingredient in cayenne, capsaicin, improves circulation in your tiny blood vessels, according to a 2017 study published in Phytotherapy Research. If you want to enhance the flavor, you can also add 1 teaspoon of honey. But this is not required. Here's how to make the drink to get the most out of it. In a glass, combine the beetroot juice, lemon juice, grated ginger, and a pinch of cayenne. After thoroughly mixing everything, let the drink sit for 10 minutes or so. The nitrate conversion process can start during this resting period, increasing the drink's potency. This is best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach or half an hour before a walk. You can get the most benefit during your active hours by timing it correctly, as the effects usually last for 6 to 8 hours. Let me now explain what outcomes you can reasonably anticipate and when. Many people experience a slight warmth in their hands and feet during the first 24 hours. Additionally, you may feel a little more energetic than normal. These are the initial indications that your circulation is beginning to get better. The bigger changes occur in 48 to 72 hours. At this point, research indicates that endothelial function actually begins to improve, and blood flow increases noticeably. Most people report less leg heaviness and improved walking tolerance after drinking this regularly for about a week. A decrease in their resting blood pressure is also observed by many. A 2021 Journal of Nutrition study that tracked seniors for several weeks documented these gains. The advantages became more noticeable with regular daily use, the researchers discovered. Additionally, there are a few easy ways to enhance the effects of this circulation drink. The effects of nitric oxide are enhanced by walking for just 10 minutes after drinking. Light exercise increases the benefits of nitrate supplementation for circulation, according to a 2020 study published in Sports Medicine. Exposure to sunlight can also be beneficial. Sunlight actually increases the release of nitric oxide in your skin. According to research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology in 2019, morning sunlight, even for 10 to 15 minutes, can have an impact. Additionally, remember to stay properly hydrated throughout the day. Your blood will flow through your vessels more easily if you drink enough water to improve blood viscosity. This increases the benefits of the beetroot drink for circulation. I must now discuss who should exercise caution when using this strategy. You should definitely consult your doctor before taking any blood thinners, such as warfarin. Beetroot juice may alter your clotting times and interact with these drugs. Because beets contain a lot of oxalates, which can lead to kidney stones, people with kidney disease should also exercise caution. Because beetroot juice lowers blood pressure, it may make you feel lightheaded or dizzy if you already have low blood pressure. Additionally, diabetics should consult their physician, particularly if they are making substantial changes to their nitrate intake. Additionally, beetroot juice might not be the best choice for you if you have a history of kidney stones or are sensitive to oxalates. Before making major dietary changes, always consult your doctor, especially if you already have a medical condition. There are other scientifically supported beverages that can also improve circulation if beetroot juice isn't your thing. According to a 2014 study published in Atherosclerosis, pomegranate juice enhances endothelial function. 8 ounces a day is the recommended amount, but it can be pricey and high in sugar. Another great choice is hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea lowers inflammation and systolic blood pressure, according to a 2010 study published in the Journal of Nutrition. It's far less expensive than pomegranate juice, and you can consume 1 to 2 cups every day. Allow me to provide you with a full 72-hour daily regimen that optimizes the benefits of circulation. After consuming your circulation drink in the morning, take a 10-minute stroll. The best nitric oxide boost to start the day is provided by this combination. Do calf raises for 5 minutes in the afternoon. Venous return, or the return of blood from your legs to your heart, is supported by these easy exercises. Drink 1 cup of warm hibiscus tea in the evening. This helps you wind down for the day and offers extra circulation support. Elevate your feet for 10 minutes or so before going to bed. This lowers venous pressure and keeps fluid from collecting in your lower legs during the night. This regimen is both comprehensive enough to address circulation from several perspectives and easy enough for anyone to follow. Keep in mind that when using natural methods like this, consistency is essential. Most people notice significant improvements within that 72-hour window, but you won't see significant changes overnight. Additionally, with consistent use, the advantages usually increase over time. The use of natural nitrate sources, such as beetroot juice, for circulation issues in seniors is strongly supported by the research. It is inexpensive, safe for the majority of people, and can be prepared at home using fresh ingredients. I hope this information clarifies how you can enhance your circulation naturally in as little as 72 hours. Thousands of seniors have already benefited from this strategy, which has strong scientific backing. Please type circulation in the comments section below, and let me know where you are watching. If you thought this video was useful. The subjects we cover in upcoming videos are greatly influenced by your messages. Additionally, please share this video with anyone you know who suffers from fatigue, leg heaviness, or cold feet. Seniors frequently experience these circulation issues, but most people are unaware that there are quick-acting natural remedies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more senior-specific, evidence-based health information. Keep in mind that one of the best things you can do for your general health and energy levels as you age is to improve your circulation. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the upcoming video.